Greet is marked down here. As you can see, we have an Excel sheet right here. Notice we have first name, we have last name, we have full name. Right, so what we wanted to do right here is to get the full name into this particular column. Right, so we're going to be using Control plus E on your keyboard to do that. It's very, very important. So for instance, you have at least 1,000 of these names to put it right here. What you can do, you click right here in the cell. And what to do, you're going to type the first name first, like that. So when you type the first name, like that, then what you do, you click underneath the bottom right here, and you're going to press Control plus E together. You notice when you do that, all of the names appear together right here. Yes, very important. So if you have a whole huge of thing, you can actually do it like this. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.